Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to reset your Blomberg dryer and fix a no-heat problem. First, turn off the dryer and unplug it from the power outlet for safety. Wait 5 to 10 minutes to allow the control board to fully reset. Next, check the thermal fuse. A blown thermal fuse can prevent the dryer from heating. Locate it on the dryer's rear panel, test it with a multimeter, and replace it if necessary. Inspect the heating element for any signs of damage or burn marks. A faulty heating element will need replacement to restore proper heating. Check the dryer vent and lint filter for blockages. Clogged vents restrict airflow and can cause the dryer to run without heat. Clean the lint filter and vent thoroughly. After addressing the fuse, heating element, and vents, plug the dryer back in and run a test cycle. If it still doesn't heat, perform a control board reset by pressing and holding the Start-Pause button for a few seconds. Check your model's manual for exact instructions. By following these steps, you can reset your Blomberg dryer and fix a no-heat issue, ensuring it runs efficiently again. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.